Yaurana ya oto te mauhoa e tau te mau whiti'i.
Yaurana tātou.
Yaurana.
Yaurana.
Yaurana ya oto.
Yaurana I te awatea.
Yaurana te patea.
Yaurana.
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 Yaurana ia oto.
Yaurana.
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 Yorana.
Yaurana.
Yaurana.
Yaurana. Yaurana. Yaurana.
Wow, that seems so long ago.
I know, man, that seems like forever ago.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's so awesome to see everybody speaking Tahitian. And what a better way to start this recap than to watch everybody with the most basic Tahitian greeting of Yaurana.
So guys, we made it! Our 30-day challenge is complete, officially complete. Congratulations to all of you and your commitment for posting a video of yourself every single day.
We were so happy to see the huge amount of participation from people all over the world.
And we're so excited to see that the Reo Tahiti has reached beyond borders and places that we couldn't even imagine.
So what do you think, girls?
Yeah, that's amazing for all those different people. Yeah, and all from different places too. That is awesome.
Oh, that's really cool, man. It is because of people like you that push themselves to learn and share the Reo Tahiti that it will live on. You are perpetuators of the Reo Tahiti, and you are true ambassadors of the language outside of Tahiti, right?
Yeah.
Good job, guys.
Great job.
Let's take a look at the impact you help us make in participating in and sharing the Reo Tahiti Challenge.
We reach people from all over the world with this challenge. I was so proud to see some of polylingual students and even first-time speakers introducing themselves in Tahitian. Have you learned yet? Well, we can help you. Let's take a look at some participants of the Reo Tahiti Challenge introducing themselves in Tahitian.
O Thailand to uioa.
O Tiana Vau.
O Cynthia to uioa.
O Carla to uioa.
O Isabel to uioa.
O Cristina to Ioa.
O Arivora to uioa.
O Audrey to Uioa.
O Marissa to uioa.
O Joycey to uioa.
O Charity to Uioa.
O Cyril Toi Oa.
O Heather to Uioa.
O Jacinta to Ioa.
O Kirsten Ledford to Uioa.
O Heather to uioa.
O Desiree to Uioa. O Anna to Uioa. O Elaine to Uioa.
O Hinatea to uioa.
O Hinatea to uioa.
O Liam to Ui'oa.
O Manu to uioa.
O Sarah to Uioa.
O Ashley to uioa.
O Mayumi to Uioa.
O Naho to uioa.
O Kawailele to Uioa.
As you progress with polylingual courses, you too will be able to explain where you are from. Let's take a look at some of the participants. Tell us and explain where they are from.
No, Anaheim, California vote. He piahi vau I te whare haapi I raa Reo Tahiti.
No te whenua marite mai au o Tariforonia, no te oire I Irvine o Orange County.
No te whenua marite au.
No te whenua marite au.
No te whenua marite.
No te whenua marite au.
No te whenua Saipan mai au.
No te whenua Mexico.
No te whenua Tanaka Vau.
O wau I ta ata wharangi au.
No te whenua Aotearoa Vau, the land down under.
No te whenua Frangi.
From Tapone.
That was awesome. But then we see the real magic happen. The phrase of the day. This is where we see the whole world come together and help each other learn the Reo Tahiti. That's what it's all about. It's not about who knows more or who can pronounce it better. It's all about keeping the Reo Tahiti alive by actually speaking it.
Yeah.
And being able to communicate and help each other across the globe. That's amazing.
That's great. Hands down.
Let's see some of the phrase of the day videos.
Tātou pouroai! Happy ane te Reo Tahiti. Wara tātou.
Today the phrase is e aha,
Eaha,
te ohipa,
Kemohiba,
ta oe,
Taoi,
e rave,
Ikafe,
i te iene.
Etine.
What are you doing now?
I did the heart.
Te irawa no te mahana e nehe nehe oe e tauturu ia'u.
And the phrase of the day today is Aue ho'ie. The sentence of the day is Popo ya oe.
The phrase of the day is Te nara.
The phrase of the day is Te na ra, which means there you go.
The phrase of the day is E aha te ohipata oe rave ana nahe.
E aha te parao api.
And today's phrase is Te hina aro nei au e ha'api I te Reo Tahiti.
Te irawa no te e mahana e te e ha'apa ura'a.
Te irawa I te I e mahana, e iaha oe I ha'apeapea. E iaha oe ha'apeapea.
Today's phrase is Te hia oe, which means where are you?
Hey, ahani na.
Y la frase tahitiana es Popo ia oe, que significa te aplaudo.
Te matai te nei au te ratio te ata.
La frase del día es Hope te au y significa excelente.
Ne oe, e tauturu ia'u.
E iaorana I te matahiti api.
Aue ho'ie.
Horu amai nā ta umautaviri.
E aha, te uhipa, ta oe e rave ananahe.
And my phrase is uetana oe.
Te hinaro nei au e hapi te Reo Tahiti.
Te wherore nei au.
Te hina aro nei au e haapi I te Reo Tahiti.
E te
Hina aro nei mātou e haapi I te Reo Tahiti.
I te matahiti āpi.
Yaurana I te matahiti āpi.
Te hina aro nei au e haapi I te Reo Tahiti.
Ai tai ha'apa ura'a.
Reo Tahiti Challenge Day 3. Se no.
E aha, te ohipa, ta oe, irare, inanashima.
Se no.
Yaorana, I te matahiti api.
Rana! Reo Tahiti Challenge, mahana vau! He ori nei au!
E aha oe e ha'apeapea.
Maru noa. Te whaaro o nei iau I te upa upa.
Ari I mai nā, tomato aroha. I te here I te ate o te nā te nā. Are mai nā.
So what do you think about these videos, girls?
Woo! Mete roa! Moku mete!
This shows that given the resources, anyone can learn the Reo Tahiti. It took me about 20 or 30 years with very limited resources, and I'm still learning today. You don't have to wait 20 or 30 years like I did, and you don't have to search for resources because it's right here. Polylingual is the resource for anyone that wants to learn the Reo Tahiti. No more excuses. Because of the hard work of Moinao and the entire Polylingual team, you now have the resources at your fingertips to learn the Reo Tahiti. I am so proud that Moinao put this challenge into motion and the fact that she put Polylingual into motion. This resource that is available to the whole world. Being from Tahiti, I think that is an awesome thing and you should be very proud of yourself. I know I'm so proud of you and I'm proud to be part of the Polylingual team and this movement of keeping the Reo Tahiti alive.
We at Polylingual offer a full array of courses, self-paced courses, group sessions, one-on-one sessions for anyone who wants to learn the Reo Tahiti.
We are the first and only online resource offering these courses for the English speaker.
And just a few weeks ago, we launched our online courses in Japanese. Māuruuru everyone for the fun you have added to this challenge.
We hope you will continue on your journey to learning the Reo Tahiti and becoming polylingual. And we hope you will choose us, Polylingual, to help you along the way.
We hope to see you real soon at Polylingual!
See you soon!
Māuruuru!
Māuruuru! Tira ya hua hirima Māuruuru mate e ya uto pa atwa ya mate e uto apar heyang e te aru hayar he.
Nana!
Māuruuru roa polylingual.
Māuruuru roa polylingual. Nana.
Māuruuru polylingual.
Māuruuru roa polylingual. Nana.
Māuruuru roa polylingual.
Māuruuru me te I polylingual. Nana.
Māuruuru polylingual.
Māuruuru. Māuruuru roa polylingual.
Māuruuru roa polylingual.
Māuruuru polylingual.
Māuruuru roa polylingual. Nana. Beso de Chile. Māuruuru roa polylingual. Nana.
Māuruuru polylingual. Nana. Aparai.
Māuruuru roa polylingual.
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 Māuruuru roa polylingual. Nana.
Māuruuru. Nana.
Māuruuru polylingual.
Māuruuru roa polylingual.
Māuruuru roa polylingual.
Māuruuru polylingual. Nana.
E pare rei whaho tātou.